Hi, I'm Alan Thomas. Today my aim is to create furniture company database. My schema is to create 5 tables: customer, order line, number, supplier, and these are all my attributes to be included in the table. So moving to the first question, my question is create the table customer. So for that, syntax is create table name, that is customer, and mention in the brackets the attribute along with its data type. Customer ID, data type is number, customer name, data type is varchar2, and similarly go on. So thus the table is created. DESC customer, this is to describe the table customer. It shows the attributes along with its data types. And then my next question is to create other tables. So the other tables that I've created is order line, product, supplier, and all this is table created and the output is there. So my next question is, in the first question I was asked to add a primary key constraint. So in the customer table, so the syntax is alter table, the table name, that is customer, add what, to add primary key, to add primary key, which field we should make as primary key, that is customer ID. So this will alter the table altered. Then my next question is to add a foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute. So alter table order1, add foreign key in the customer ID, and the reference is given as customer table customer ID. So this will generate a foreign key and it is shown table altered. Then I describe the table order1. Then my next question is to modify the attribute product finish in the product table to product material. So for that, the syntax is alter table product rename column product finish to product material. So it is shown table altered and no more product finish, it is product material. And then my next question is add an attribute called price in the order line table. So I have to add a price, I have to add a column alter table order line, add price along with this data type number. So table altered and price is included in the table order line. Then my next question is to add a check constraint to ordered quantity column and check the quantities above 5. So for that, alter table order line, add check ordered quantity greater than 5. So this will check that order quantity remains greater than 5, table altered. And then we proceed to our next question. Rename order line to order quantity. So I have to rename a table. So rename order line to order quantity, and the table is renamed. So now onwards I will describe order quantity, no more order line. So my next question is to add supplier address column to supplier table. So for that, and the syntax is alter table supplier, add supplier address and its data type varchar2. Table is altered. Then my next question is to describe all the tables. So describe customer, order quantity, product and supplier. So my next question is add primary key constraint to all tables. So I have to add a primary key for the customer table. I have added the primary key as customer ID. So and order ID is a customer order ID in the order table is also a customer primary key. So for now, order quantity, add primary key order ID. And after that, if we describe, the null column will show order ID is not null as it is a primary key. So the value should not be null, it has to be definitely entered. In the product table, I added product ID as primary key. In the supplier table, I added SID as primary key. So thus I described. Now my next question is modify the data type of rating to decimal. So my syntax is alter table supplier, modify rating decimal 10,2. So this is table is alter. So rating is shown as number 10 comma 2. Before it was number 10 only, now it is 10 comma 2. Next question is add a not null constraint to customer name and address. So add a not null, yeah. So the syntax is alter table customer modify customer name where the data type constraint C1. I have to give a constraint name C1 that is not null. So it will this constraint will check that this attribute is not null. So table altered and they are described. And next question is drop the column supplier address in supplier table. So my alter table customer modify customer address varchar constraint C2 another constraint C2 not null. So this will check the attribute that it will be not null. Table alter. Then my question is, okay, I just repeated the answer. My question was drop the column supplier address in the supplier table. So alter table supplier drop column supplier address. So table is dropped and no more supplier address will be seen in the table supply. And then my question is drop the table order. So drop, the syntax is drop table order. So table is dropped. Now the table order will not be not visible anymore. And then truncate the tables. So truncate the tables means it will erase all the values in the tables. So the syntax is truncate table customer, truncate table order quantity, truncate table product, truncate table supply. So all the tables have been truncated. And then just thank you.